Apple cider vinegar. It's a pantry staple in many households, but did you know it offers a wide range of health benefits? Let's dive into why this humble vinegar should be part of your everyday routine. First up, it's known for its ability to support digestion. Drinking a small amount diluted in water can help balance stomach acidity, improving digestion, and preventing bloating. Apple cider vinegar is also great for weight management. Studies suggest it may help you feel fuller longer, curbing unnecessary cravings and potentially leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. Not just for internal health, apple cider vinegar is a favorite for promoting healthy hair and scalp. It can balance pH levels, reduce dandruff, and add shine to your hair. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural toner for your skin. Its antibacterial properties may help fight acne and balance your skin's pH, giving you a clearer, smoother complexion. For those chilly mornings or sore throats, apple cider vinegar combined with honey and warm water can soothe your throat, help break down mucus, and boost your immune system. Let's not forget its antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar can act as a natural disinfectant, helping to clean surfaces, neutralize odors, and even promote a healthier environment at home. Whether you're using it to support digestion, manage your weight, improve your skin, or simply clean your home, apple cider vinegar packs a powerful punch. So why not start incorporating it into your daily routine today? Apple cider vinegar, small bottle, big benefits. Start today and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant you. Super! Discover the power of apple cider vinegar, your natural solution for a healthier lifestyle.